Hello friends. I am glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today is an interesting road situation. Subscribe to the channel, write comments, and we will start. There are 3 cars at this intersection. Each of them has its own direction of travel. The blue car intends to turn right. The white car intends to turn left. The red car intends to turn left. The question is, in what order will the cars pass this intersection? Choose one of the proposed options. A. Blue car, white car, red car. B. Red car, white car, blue car. C. Blue car, red car, white car. In this case, the correct one is answer C. Blue car, red car, white car. This intersection that we see is unregulated. There are no traffic lights or road signs. But we see that the road surface is not the same for everyone. In the case of a white car, it is a dirt road surface. In this case, we should consider it a secondary road. Therefore, in the case of a blue and red car, it is the main road. And the order of travel is exactly as follows. The blue car because it has no obstacle on the right, then the red car because when turning or making a U-turn, it must give way to those who are moving in oncoming traffic, and the white car will pass last. Please write in the comments what answer you gave. Another traffic situation. The same intersection, also 3 cars that have their own direction. The red car intends to turn left, the white car intends to turn right, and the blue car intends to go straight. The question is, in what order will the cars pass this intersection? Choose one of the proposed options. A. Blue car, white car, red car. B. White car, blue car, red car. C. White car, red car, blue car. The correct answer is B. White car, blue car, red car. Let's do it! This intersection is unregulated, because there are no traffic lights and there are no signs. Therefore, drivers must adhere to the rule of an obstacle on the right. Here we see that each car has an obstacle on the right, but the trajectory of the white car does not intersect with the trajectory of other cars, so it goes first. The blue car after passing the white one will not have an obstacle on the right, and therefore will pass second. The red car will pass third because its trajectory intersects with the trajectory of the blue car. That is, it must let go of the car moving in the opposite direction. Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for your attention. Be careful and drive safely. See you soon.